After pushing away EU workers, the UK is now struggling to find replacements in the hospitality industry. In this video, we talk about the UK's plan to provide short-term visas to EU workers post-Brexit. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration-and-migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. The United Kingdom is considering a new short-term visa program for EU workers to tackle the severe workforce shortages affecting the hospitality sector. The main goal of this proposed initiative is to bring in foreign workers to the UK without causing significant changes in migration rates. This move comes as a response to the challenges posed by Brexit, the ongoing pandemic, and economic fluctuations that have collectively strained the UK's hospitality industry. Initial reports from The Times suggest that discussions have begun between the Home Office and some EU countries. These talks aim to establish more youth mobility programs, which can contribute to boosting the economy. The proposals would enable young people aged between 18 and 30 from selected countries to work in the UK for up to 2 years without requiring sponsorship from an employer. They would also be exempt from the skill and salary threshold requirements that apply under the skilled worker route, meaning employers could use the scheme to fill lower paid roles within their business. The hospitality industry has faced a significant blow due to a combination of factors including Brexit, the pandemic, and a more challenging economic climate. Previously reliant on EU labour through free movement, the post-Brexit immigration regulations have posed difficulties for employers in hiring for roles like waiters, baristas, and housekeepers. The number of job vacancies in the hospitality sector has fallen over the last year, although the sector continues to struggle with labour shortages. Most employers that need to recruit hospitality workers from overseas will apply to sponsor the workers under the skilled worker route. Businesses that do not have a sponsor license, or those who need to fill roles that are not eligible for the skilled worker route, have other options if they wish to employ international workers. The hospitality sector frequently relies on a workforce comprising of international students, often in part-time roles, as well as individuals holding youth mobility scheme visas. These arrangements provide a valuable, but limited pool of talent to fill various positions within the sector. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigration-and-migration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.